Here are the Mera blade puppies. They're about 2.5 weeks old. They are just starting to find their feet, starting to pee on their own. We just put little collars on them today and made their space bigger so that they have a bed area where Mera's laying. And out here we will teach them this is bathroom area. So that's a good girl, Mera. You're being a good example. Yes, you are. Pretty girl. So this is Bailey. She is the smallest puppy in the litter. Black party girl. Fuzzy girl. This is Bambi. She is the liver pepper party. She has the most color on her. Hello, babe. And you're pretty chill. Yeah. She has the pink collar. This is the middle-sized girl. This is Beckett. She is a black and silver party. Discovered because look at her cheeks. You can see the hint of the gray or the silver coming out in her cheeks. And look at this smarty pants, already trying to find his way into the bed. This is the liver boy. Right now we call him Basil. And you are liver. Yep, we thought maybe you might be liver pepper, but you're not showing any peppering in your coat at this point. You're just chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate. Pretty boy. And sleeping over here is Ben. Ben is the black boy. Oh yes, yawn. Life is good. You're very content as well. Yes, you are. Happy boy. And last but not least is Henry. Henry, you're the only one we have a new name for so far. Yes, and we thought you were black and silver, but you are clearly not. You are salt and pepper. Look at all the gray underneath there. Yes. Pretty. You're a very pretty boy. Nice coat. Very flashy. And very chill. Yes, you're a very chill boy. So this is Henry. So there is Mera with her puppies. In her nice big box. Hey, sweetheart. Yes. You are such a good mommy. Yes, you are. And your babies are getting so big. Beautiful.